The actual build of the Jeep kind of starts now. Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. I hope you're having a great day. If you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. We have new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. And of course, check out Shop Lifestyle, get yourself some lifestyle merch. And yeah, that intro, we're officially gonna start doing the build. I've decided that it's time for things to change. I'm gonna just full send it on this Jeep. And yeah, so this is what it's looking like as we see it now. But this little mod is just something that I wanted to try, see how I like it, and we're gonna go from there. I do have a new microphone on the camera, so hopefully it's recording okay and it sounds okay. If not, then I'm gonna have to somehow go back and do this video again, but hopefully the new mic is okay. But yeah, so let's just jump into the car and unbox what we got and see how it is. All right, so this is another one of those Amazon mods. This one, I really want what this mod is, but not this way. And I'll explain that in a minute once I open this up. But I wanted to try it with the Amazon way first because people have had good results with that. And, you know, some people like it and stuff like that. So I'm going to run with that idea first of trying these. And then if not, then we'll end up going with the full actual way of how I want to do this. But I figured I would give it a shot. That way, if you guys are looking for something similar, you like the look, then you guys can go ahead and grab them on Amazon. And it's just a quick 2-day shipping kind of thing. I like to do those kind of mods because then it's a lot easier for you guys to get, and it's not like a waiting game like a lot of the things that I do here on the channel where you have to wait. So I'm not going to be using everything that's in this box, but we're going to be using some of the stuff that's in this box. So it appears we have a box inside of a box that's kind of useless, but let me see, how do we, made in China, perfect. So inside of here, you can see we've got, these look like door caps. So if you guys wanted to black out your door handles, you could do it with these kind of cap. I'm not gonna do that because I like the white look of the caps, or of the thing. But this is the reason that I ordered them, is for the black caps on the mirrors. Now you can see it's just got some 3M adhesive in there. I don't know how, like I said, I don't know how this is gonna look because it's gonna give a little bit of a thickness off of the mirror. But I figured I would go ahead and try it, and then if I don't like it, return it, and then go ahead and find some aftermarket mirrors or something and find some painted ones. If you guys know where I can get some painted ones, just these caps, which I'll show you here in a second, then let me know down in the comment section below, because I would be willing to pay like 100, 150 for some painted actual mirror caps that aren't just covers that stick over top. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So you see I have this white paint match part here, and then it's black around here, all black down here, and then obviously all of the door trim is black, which then goes along with the window tint. So that's where I want to swap this out with a black mirror cover. So basically what's supposed to happen with these is it's 3M adhesive that's supposed to stick over the top. So let me see if I can rip this open real quick. So it's just like a gloss black cover that's supposed to just pop over the top. And I don't know if I'm gonna like it because it's gonna stick out kind of, so we'll see. I definitely like the look of it, but it's more so I want to make sure like all the white is covered, you know, like it's not gonna like stand out like you see how you can see the white here. I don't know if it has to be pressed in more or something. See how there's like white? I don't know. I really want to just replace the whole thing, but this kind of gives you an idea of how it's going to look. It kind of looks strange actually right there, because you can see the white all down here. If I press it down, then it's going to show white up here. And it's kind of scuffed the way that it does that, which is part of the reason why I don't really want to do these, but I'm going to try them anyway. I'll put them on and see how it looks. And then another thing that I don't like about them is that it gives this extra layer. So you see this is like extra thickness around it, which I'm not that big of a fan of. And I really like just things being clean, just like this. So if I actually just take this mirror off, or this plastic cap, which you have to take the mirror out and like take it apart and stuff, which is fine, I'll do that for an install video. But if I want to do that, then what's going to happen is I have to take these white ones off and get them painted or paint them myself, and I don't really want to do that just because I would rather keep the white ones and then get a separate pair that's gloss black. So if you guys know where I can get a spare set of these, or you guys have a pair for sale that aren't like the chrome ones or something that I can just paint like these white ones, or if you know where I can get gloss black ones. I know there was someone on the Jeep forum that was selling them. I tried to reach out to them, but they haven't been active on the forum in a while, so I'm not sure if that's going to work. So let's see if I just set these two on here, this one and the other one, and just kind of walk around it and see if I like the look of it, because I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it. Like I said, it kind of leaves like a gap, like you can see there's kind of a gap up here, which like you can't really stretch it to be fitting that like completely, which sucks because then you lose the bottom side, and I would rather have that. I don't know, we're gonna see. Let's get the other one and just put them on and just see how they look, I guess, and then we'll decide if we want to stick them on. All right, so now this one's just gonna go on over here, which again should just sit on there. Is this one gonna have better fitment than the other one? Nope, you still see this white line here, which is what's driving me crazy. And other people were saying, you know, you could just plasti dip it. I gotta do like a plasti dip with a glossifier, but this is kind of what it's gonna look like once they're on. You can kind of see it really changes it, because you get the black here, which then goes with the black, which then ties into all the gloss black trim here. And like I said, I'm going to be doing a video. I think you guys would appreciate a video of me talking about all the different things I'm going to do, because I'm going crazy. Like this Jeep as we see it here today is just not going to be what it's going to be in like weeks or months. I already ordered some big stuff, and we're going to go all the way with it, you know. Maybe this is going to come off. I don't know. I can't confirm or deny, but you might have just got a sneak preview if you've been watching to this video this far. So I think I'm just going to go for it, I guess, and stick these on for now, and then I'll have to keep shopping. But this is what's kind of going to look like with just them on. I guess from the front it looks okay. You don't really notice the you can't notice the white, obviously. You can see here if I zoom in, and then kind of from a side angle you can see I love the look of this. Like the black mirrors on it look so good. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and send it and stick them on, and as long as they look good from the front, I think that'll be okay. You do see the little bit on the sides over here, you know, like from the back, but I think it'll be okay in the end, and we'll just call it a day. And then, like I said, worst comes to worst, I can just remove them and return them or whatever. So as usual, we're going to use the same setup as everything, and that is going to be my 2 spray bottles. One with this one just has like Dawn soap, which I guess you could just use car wash soap, but I just threw some Dawn in there just to be quick, and then a microfiber towel. And then this one has alcohol. You don't have to do that. I'll probably do it just a quick little bit just to wipe it off. But like I said, worst comes to worst, I just return these if they don't look good, or I'd stop liking the look of them. Either way, I think it was $55 for the set of them plus the door handles. So if you guys want the door handles, you can get those as well. But we're just gonna clean this, which it really needs a cleaning anyway, so I think it's fine. You can see it's like dirty running off. That's awful. They say you can use a heat gun as well. I'm not gonna probably do that, but alright, so now we have it prepped pretty much. Like, I'm not gonna go crazy on it because I'm not planning to keep these. Like I said, I do want to replace these with just painted black ones. There's something about having like a cover and stuff like that that's just it looks kind of tacky to me, and it's not my favorite thing to do. So now we just gotta peel the backing off of this 3M adhesive all inside of here. You guys can see it's all in there. Nothing better than the sun coming out. Feels good. It's finally starting to warm up, and like I said, we're about to go crazy on the Jeep. I'm telling you, it's going to be a different car in I don't even know, a month, 2 months, I don't know. It's going to depend really on how fast I can get the parts in. That's pretty much what's killing it is just waiting on back orders and stuff, because the wheels and tires that I want to do, if you guys are watching to this point, which you might be, then I might leak it, but wheels and tires are eventually going to be coming. I'm sending it. I'm doing the whole thing. So if there's anything you can think of that I could do to my Jeep, chances are I already have it in the works. It's already ordered, or it's on its way, or I have plans to order it. So alright, so we got the 3M adhesive off, and now we're supposed to just press this on. I'm going to be like kind of careful and line it up first and then press it on. This is one of those mods for me that I hate, but I also love at the same time, because it looks so good and it gives it the look that I want, but at the same time, it's just not what I want, because kind of over here, it sticks out a little bit. I'll show you guys that in a second. And it's just not as like flush and smooth as just painting this. So like I said, it'll be a good temporary thing for me until I can figure that out. Hopefully that guy on the forums will get back to me. Maybe he watches the videos. If you watch these videos and you guys sell these like painted actual cap that I can just disable or take apart the mirror and put that on, then definitely hit me down in the comments, DM me on Instagram, something like that. If you guys have a link or a connection to that, I want some gloss black ones that are just flush rather than the cover. So if you guys can do that, then definitely let me know. But let's go ahead and hop to the other side and do that one, and then we'll kind of clean them down and see how they look on the car. But I think it looks good. We'll see actually once it's all done, but yeah, I like the look of the black mirror, so I'm gonna run with it. All right, so they're both on now. Maybe you can see it behind me. Let's see. There we go. Look at that. It looks really good in the camera. Like I said, if you guys are just looking at it like from here, it looks really, really good. The problem is for me, when you look at it from the side, you see you get this nice white line here, which is just not what I like at all. So you get a nice white line across there. And then one thing that kind of drives me nuts too is if you're looking at the mirror, from like this point of view, like if you were looking through the window driving, it like sticks out on top and like everything. So yeah, we're definitely gonna go ahead and find those covers, so that'll be a future video for sure. But I think for now this kind of gives me the look and the idea that I'm going for, so I guess it's not the worst. But yeah, you can see even in here it's just kind of covered up weird, and yeah, it's not exactly what I want. I'm not a big fan of that like overlay kind of look. But like I said, from the front it looks good, and like you're not going to notice it when you're actually looking. You're not really going to notice it unless you're really looking for that kind of thing like this, where you can see that the corner like sticks up. And yeah, it's not the best look, but like I said, it definitely improves the look of it, and it kind of ties in, and you guys got to get the idea now of where I'm going with that. But here's what it looks like if I back up. Like I said, I really like the look of it, just based on the fact of, because now you have this blacked out, which is then going to tie in with the black here, which then ties in with the gloss black around the window, which ties in with the black tint, which is eventually going to tie in with the roof wrap. But that's for a future video where I'll be talking about all the different things that I have planned and in the works, and all the things that I'm going to be ordering or ordered, or I'm going to be getting installed, or anything within the next few weeks. You guys are going to see. But big things are coming for the Jeep, and it's going to be a completely different vehicle here in about 2 months. I would say 2 months. Give it 2 months to completely build it and everything, and it's going to be a completely different vehicle. But the black covers are on. Let me know what you guys think down below, if you guys like them. I'm not really sure. I mean, I guess they're all right, but they're just not what I want. So yeah, I need to get those covers kind of painted, or not covers, the actual caps. I need to get some of those and get them painted and whatever, but that's going to be coming for sure. So let me know if you guys are running the caps, if you like the caps or anything like that, or if you want to see the actual covers or the caps get painted rather than just the little covers on top. So let me know down below if that's what you guys want to see. That's going to be about it for this video. If you did enjoy, make sure you smash that like button down below. It'll help the YouTube algorithm, help this video get out to more people, help the channel grow, and of course build this community. Like I said, we're going to the moon with it, and we have a lot of big things coming. So on that note, if you guys are not already subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. And yeah, it's about to get wild. We're about to be starting to do some really big things for the Jeep. It's going to be a different vehicle, so you guys are going to want to stay tuned for that. Of course, check out Shop Lifestyle, get yourself some lifestyle merch. But that's about it. Thanks for watching. Peace. I feel like I am losing